The European Union is aiming for climate neutrality by 2050, implying a significant acceleration of mitigation actions. Cities play a crucial role in achieving these goals, but still, they face significant barriers, such as uncertainties in climate actions, lack of tools, and data. So in our project Climate-4-CAST, we tackle these challenges by co-developing an open-source climate budgeting tool and thereby empowering local public authorities in their journey towards climate neutrality.
The Climate-4-CAST climate budgeting tool directly links climate actions with municipal budgets, making it easier for cities to plan and prioritize local investments for climate neutrality. The tool allows cities to visualize different action scenarios, improve budget planning, and monitor the outcomes of their local policies. 6 cities in the Baltic Sea region are piloting and co-developing this tool within their unique local governance frameworks. With support from other project partners and 14 associated local authorities, these pilots are demonstrating how the tool can effectively guide cities towards achieving their climate goals.
In this piloting process, we have mainly spent time on developing our methodology, how to calculate the CO2 effects of our initiatives, and providing the data we needed to make a baseline, and then calculate, the business as usual scenarios, and then the effect of the initiatives.
We made 2 different boards in the first piloting phase. We wanted to show the effects and the 2 different climate targets, both for the territorial emissions and for our municipal organizational emissions, since we have 2 different climate targets. In the territorial emissions, we have focused on the transport sector to dig a bit deeper in that sector and see the potential and the effects of different transport measures that the city can take.
So we have already had emission scenario tool in Tampere for some years already, and in this project we are adding new functions in the tool, especially the economic impacts. Our climate department has been collecting data for the tool from a wide range of sources inside the city organization. And also the economic unit at our city has a central role in developing the tool and especially finding new ways to apply it to our city's financial processes.
Climate budgeting is very important in Aarhus because our decision makers have limited public spending. It's an issue in the whole of Denmark at the moment, so they would like to know where they can get the most CO2 reduction for their money. And that's what we would like to use climate budgeting for, to tell them this initiative will have this cost effectiveness and this initiative will have another. So use it as sort of a tool to prioritize in a world where the spending is limited.
First of all, our ultimate aim with introducing this tool is to reach a situation when the climate policies are integrated throughout whole municipal agenda, so that it's not specific climate measures we are doing, but we are just doing our work with consideration about the climate-related issues. And so for that we find that tool very useful, both for municipal employees that will help in their work, but also for the residents of the city, so that they can follow what the city do, they can see, visualize, and understand why city does this or that measure.
From our point of view, the tool and the project can provide us with another value than just the monetary value. Climate budgeting is about having different values of measures. So have like kilowatt hours, CO2 or health impacts, for example, provided along with the monetary value. And that this could, of course, if we do it successfully, it could make us a climate friendlier and greener city.
I'm looking for the initiatives like Climate-4-CAST project because I want to improve myself and I want to improve my city. And in order to get the improvement, I need to learn. And I need to learn from the people who are involved and who want to change something. So I'm looking forward to exchange between different cities and different countries because it's really different looks on the same problem, and together we can find better solutions.
The climate debate is a debate on a lot of different levels. It's a political one, it's an emotional one, it's a scientific one, it's a data-based one, and so on. And Climate-4-CAST will help us to structure this debate on a rational base. And the hope is that people will follow these arguments. And so we could debate on facts and not on maybe crazy ideas.
I think it's so interesting that we have this collaboration with other cities. In the world of this climate data and calculation and CO2 effects, it's quite young. We don't have that much knowledge. We don't have that much data. So if we collaborate on that and share knowledge and share our methodologies and how we do things, we can really get ahead and go further than if we just collaborated in our own municipality or with the Danish municipalities.
The Climate-4-CAST project already unites partners from 7 countries in a truly transnational fashion to make sure that the solution we develop is relevant and transferable for the whole Baltic Sea region. This is done with the support from the interreg-baltic.eu region program, which provides opportunities and possibilities for the transnational exchange of experiences, joint development, and capacity building. The gate to the climate-neutral future is open, and your city can be part of our transformative journey. Follow Climate-4-CAST in the communication channels and never miss the opportunity to take up, test, and adopt the project results. Once the solution is ready, the Union of the Baltic Cities Network will promote it in the Baltic Sea region. In Climate-4-CAST, we will launch 2 climate budget summits in 2025 and 2026, together with a training course to outline the steps towards climate neutrality. We warmly welcome all cities to join us there.